Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down on me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. And my body's aching and my time is at hand, and I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. So I'm walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows a cold wind blows, gotta turn your head around. Gather hours of time on the telephone line, talking about things to come, sweet dreams.